What's good, YouTube? It's Anthony Lyons back at it again with another video. I am back in my dad's Mini Cooper. This is part 2. Please click like, share, and subscribe, and go back to part 1 where I did all of the sound deadening, sound treatment in this SQ sound system. We are now on to the dash speakers. We're going to do these really nice audio frog tweeters in the dash, should I say, next to the A-pillar. We're going to do these 4-inch speakers. They're going to be in some fiberglass pods in the dash. Should come out really well. Going to do some alignment to get them to be on the same path lengths. I'll probably go through all that later at the end, but please stick around. Again, this is the sound quality build for my dad's special build, part 2. Go back, see part 1, and stay tuned. All right, YouTube, this is part 2 of the sound quality build for the Mini Cooper. I was trying to have it in one of the shows that I did. I was a vendor in and didn't make it, didn't get it all done, but gonna have it in another show coming up in September. I'll be a vendor at a big show in Renton, actually Kent, Washington. So as you can see from the pictures and video that I finally got this stuff done. This was how it's gonna look. Got the grill on there. This is without the grill. Again, these are Audio Frog tweeters and Audio Frog 4-inch speakers. The Audio Frog 4-inch speakers are a little big. They're pretty big, so and this car is not that big. So instead of doing an A-pillar build, I ended up doing a more on access to the driver. Usually SQ, you focus on the driver anyway. So as you can see, we got the pods, we got the black acrylic on there. Black acrylic kind of matches the black acrylic, or should I say the black high gloss plastic that's on the car. So that kind of matches, but overall came out pretty good. Still got a lot to do to put the car back together. So I'm still working in the back and the trunk. That will be part 3. And then part 4 would be a whole overview of everything, breakdown of the DSP and all the inner workings that I'm dealing with. But yeah, came out pretty good. I'm pretty excited. My dad's pretty excited. Should sound pretty good too. So stay tuned for part 3 and 4. And we'll get her all done here. Anthony Lyons, AL Designs.